Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a Twitch stream setup with Streamlabs OBS step by step clearly. Open Streamlabs OBS on your computer. If you haven't installed Streamlabs OBS yet, download it from the official website and follow the installation prompts. Once Streamlabs OBS is open, log in using your Twitch account credentials. Authorize the application to access your Twitch account. After logging in, Streamlabs OBS will prompt you to import settings. Choose the option that suits your previous setup or select New Profile for a fresh start. Next, navigate to the settings at the bottom right corner of the window. In the Settings menu, click on Stream on the left sidebar. Select Twitch from the Service drop-down menu. Your stream key, which is essential for broadcasting, can be found in your Twitch creator dashboard. Copy the stream key from the creator dashboard and paste it into the stream key field in Streamlabs OBS. Once the stream key is entered, click Done or Save. Now, return to the main interface of Streamlabs OBS. To set up your video capture, click the plus button in the Sources box. Select Video Capture Device from the list that appears. Give this source a name, like webcam, and click Add Source. Choose your webcam from the device drop-down menu and adjust settings like resolution as needed. Next, to add your game, click the plus button in the Sources box again. Select Game Capture and name it appropriately, then click Add Source. Choose the game you want to stream from the application drop-down menu. Adjust any additional settings as required before hitting Done. To set up your audio, click on the Mixer section in Streamlabs OBS. Ensure that your microphone is connected and click the gear icon next to it to adjust audio levels. Next, click on Scene in the lower left corner to organize your layouts. You can add multiple scenes for different setups, like the Starting Soon screen or a Be Right Back screen. Adjust the layout by dragging and resizing your video and game capture within the canvas area. Once you're satisfied with the layout, it's time to go live. On the bottom right, click the green Go Live button. You can set a title for your stream and select the game you are playing in the pop-up window. When everything looks good, confirm the details and hit Confirm. You are now live on Twitch with Streamlabs OBS. Monitor your stream health and viewer interaction from the Streamlabs OBS interface. Always remember to check your chat and interact with your audience for an engaging experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.